Mediani as a Kufiapia. I'm the last 2 weeks, Odifobi Ebai, as I would for no of a church diason. And now Odifo no Abba, or Babet, a young one, I and the eti and nam, sorry, a bibia. Sophia Mekanasini, the friend Reverend James Kweku Watson. Reverend James Kweku Watson is so far that as a friend Fountain Baptist Church. I will ask for a man. It's in there for pen, not for paper. But Tennessee, we so long away as yes. I don't know where you feel. I did ya. I don't mind a walk territorial forces be a D in your just watch. Stuff.
Yeah.
Change your wow. Come to
Madam Israel of literature.
I don't feel Israel of
my rabbi.
I'll be a boy was I don't mind summer in Rade. Then she ride summer Jesus. When I will bloom, I am summer in Rade. So, oh, I knew. When you come to San Louis, I don't know Bromuni Shana on summer. Well, many men was. He said, "Would the kind bar program is every year diason. Sad diason now, yeah, a month will be free. Emma, your number, Emma. Na Obia or deal number out free wow, or Timmy 2 and mobile on us. Or Fremia as a bra, Yankopon in shell. You want to say, I'll buy and your man Kuyamana. Think on free and us. Ubi catch him, said Brown, no spiritual marriage. Me call ye, Yamia Dawma. I check 3 days be now being with that. But almost 2 weeks in me, who will be you. We, my moon said, I don't know, trading phone. As a yard and pretty critic who film. When you're cropping with timidity in the beer, you see my income. Hey, I said, no, okay. When you're near with me, but trouble, it's just as I and I can see. Okay. I don't want the other one. Also, the be don't kind of. And that's all. You're be so let's see what we have for us.
Yo, I could see how money na Yankopon some be income. They didn't come back, and then my baba and church for die soon. The lady, ye baba casafa, I won't home no media woody, I wash yes. Until Kutana make us recognizing territorial forces. Until more gram pen, but much natural scripture, and home say a brain in your daging can or Bible kind. The book of Daniel, chapter 10, verse 12 to 13. Daniel woman and trade you do me no kusidumi and son, who better they making us. And that Unyanko Punyan Donibe can say in his divine plans of God. The Lord designed all things under categories and order for the easy administration of orderliness. Nyankopon said that she niema nyina wo wiase. Said e be ya e wiase a odi so no e be ye mrama no. On sa de bia wo nhye wo ho bia no e mre e de ma. Etu we Nyankopon abode mu na we have the beast that control the forest and the savannah. Mwa kese no mwo kwaye mu no. Nyese bi omo jeda o kwaye mu kwa. Ana Nyankopon pese obo want me in fact can mine engineer forest. Okay. Etu we mwa no wo nwura mu na Nyankopon do mo ye forest na. Omo ye mwa unhu omo fie. Okay. Ya ka bista mwa kese a sabi omo ntimi nipa eni Asia. De ntima nyame bo omo kogu sa kwaye mu ne se mwa no e na hwe kwaye no so. Emma quiet. Without some beast no. Quiet. A toss me no obonoma. Na sa bears no so no. They are the more yamebo control air. And from a woman no. And no man and no control.
Two sound maybe him now.
And one boy or sell home. Do them one who know. Anybody, but when you mean answer, no, or said that born, no man is a real no person. ko be mo na ntia asase so but o se mo ani ntingo so je say nipa ba home oxygen na ye home no emmoa no ene control and na your fishes na fa fishes ne no almost they have the sea
okay
enti nsuo betimi agina yi ama no nya bia no mo a o mo Nyankopon de nsuo hia o mo nsa no e friend say fish nsuo nam enti na epuya yi na mo yi na mo yi na mo yi na mo nsuo no mo nam nsa da because Nyankopon purpose de mapo no nsuo no ono otimi bo nsuo no ba hwe nsuo ni e fish no mo nam and there are also plants in their various categories. Okay, can Genesis chapter 1 verse 14 to 26 abon dey make. Ya wonua do bebrebe na owiase. Enua bebrebe e na owiase. E woni enti Nyankopon bo onua no e de man. What you say? And sa nyama Nyankopon bo nyina no eja na sa nyama ni nyina no was in the perfect state of affair before Lucifer and the fall in the Garden of Eden.
Lucifer.
Right? Nyame born nyame nyina wie nya bon sam Nyankopon de bodi pom enade o nyame born ni wi ase sa enyama bodi nyina wie Nyankopon bo wie ansa na bon sam be wi ase e o Eden. Okay. And to spiritual realm and a prophecy here spiritual realm they don't know the exact idea of the spiritual realm. We will also we did for but we not there. But they don't know.
Sunsun wi ase.
Oh, Bokra onko.
Onyankopon
onko.
Na me hu sa wo sun bi second. Na ye nsuo kuma na nsuo ntisika dia ba. Skere bon sem dia no. Na afiri agu.
That and the community ni for people get different.
How for we share go.
Na community for people get different.
Ya
be di papa serve be na on mo aka se me nchi so be a prophet on be a be nya one pe.
I no kre. Me nyi wachi.
Obi word of effect knowledge kra. Also a prophet.
Also a prophet.
Yamani na mumunyi. In the spiritual realm no yawo omso ni diso yawo the Godfather and after yawo the Godhead. Sa Godhead no meaning say me be na your friend Trinity no. Okay. Godhead no the Godfather, Son and Holy Spirit. And na omo na wuru sa Godhead no and the roof whole universe. Then sa Onyankopon no sa made some angels. Even the angels no who are the higher than human beings no. Also they have their ranks. Above no kra no a onyame di oja ne bo omo a omo ye kese sen nipa no. Above no kra no bia wo ba bia wodie. Enya abofo ni na nam sa abofo e kese sin. Yes. Na sa abofo mu.
Etini betimi abofo.
Oni pa be abofo. Ni pa ntimi nyesura abofo. Kwa Nyankopon fa so ya abofo. The Bible say o se mi de oja na ye mabofo. Ye nipa no ye nye oja. Ye nipa no ye dete. Enti abofo omu but nipa wu.
Okay. You ever say for 40 ni pen?
About 40 ni pen. But we kaba, we be go for gina we papa.
Okay.
Nti yawo o be everybody be go. Okay. Yawo abofo no kra no a omo ye kese sene nipa no. Abofo no omo bia wo na gina ya. Abofo ni na nyepe. Yawo the archangels or your archangels. Abofo mpanyimfo no. Almost followed by the itinerant angels. You can't itinerant angels are. They are the angels are. Almost echo up and down. Almost a human temper. Any bo praise here. Obet my yeduma be 1,000. Any prayer back. Every second. Obet my yeduma 1,000. And yet, me from Ghana Hong Kong. Obet my US. About with none. Tiawo eternal changes almost so followed by the mass angels above dom bebre. Ana Onyankopon assign angels. Ana obusano. Sa angels no omo assist each person. Yawo to awoye nye na Onyankopon assign angel among. Enti Sabofo no benanti free bra ya wo kopim so bewu.
Okay.
Nti ba bia aka so obofo gina he no. Obofo no kan ho, won hye wo mu. Ba se yeti yi o kan ho. Tina Methodist for onwum bi, o se asem bi abeka de obeye se Methodist presbyo. E o se obisa se eye Onyankopon. Ti uhwem kura nipa nka betin tesu agua. O se obisa nyame.
Azibiara.
Yeah. So Onyankopon sa assigning angels ama each person. Till the moment ebe wo wa we yen pe no. Now o guardian angel no kan. And Islam wadi unse ewiase we ye the three noted verified religion recognized. Your Christianity, your Islam, and your traditional worship. So this time we talk about Islam. Islam wadi go on one young Christians in the and Islam so bet nasakra obeka bismillah. So or seek permission from Onyankopon the guardian angel no say we obey. By your Christians ni most Christians no they tap dun so we and guardian angels so. It be shame to feel go so. Go ni baby awutina. Ntina yem bi no e di bone cry me.
It is a community beka similar Christian ka beka de.
I also bet my Onyankopon din but my Jesus Christ.
Say mo Onyankopon din pasa.
As I want din pasa for a purpose.
For a purpose.
Okay. And moreover, we have the marks of uncountable angels who are always praising and blessing God. Almost now we say kron 24/7 kron ready whole year kron ready Ebra Lucifer or rebel with 1/3 of the angels no. Before so Onyankopon be expel omo now what drive omo into the earth no. According to Revelation, this is a metre du mienu yimu and 9 and then so ne ngotwe no. Onyankopon me atiase sa ho. Ebre ni mo amwatro no betimi akan.
Sa apostle bi mbacho.
Revelation chapter 12 verse 4 and 7 to 8.
And the isem etire du mienu
Yimu
9
not jumpy what was 7
okay
8 okay kan about the make kan say etu we obon sam na according to Bible no almost time Onyankopon to on ba wiase no almost rem no they also copied God administrative strategies by setting a demonic order so that they can also run their activities. And it's sama ade bia Nyankopon ye bia bonsam go bi no.
Okay.
Ono ba na nyame abona ade wi nto no ni ade bia bo. Di oso ye say enema na Nyankopon aye no. Oso omso ewiya bi.
No photocopy.
No photocopy. Say dey be ya. Also
me baba ko ba na dada. Me bi se ba se mu. Ana am se dia se mo say ye say ade Nyankopon ye bia no. Bonsam se ye bi. Am say ai. Was nti Nyankopon e bo bru ni na bonsam bo yi ni. There is yes, because I didn't know Yesu. Any fita, they have some beginning of the case.
Jesus was so kind of people are African.
African. Oh, okay.
Because Jew for in Africa.
Oh, okay.
When you say a Jew, ni Oko Jerusalem, a Jew for Mamma Mre, Santa Fama Lepe.
Santa Focra, Jew
for it. Enti Uremwa, the Yakopo boy, the one upon some so ever fire. And to where Yakopo be away, be upon some on the carbon. Oh, and to show also on territory now, there also has a demon assigned to operate to ensure that the plans of God does not work or does not come to pass.
So meaning they have demons assigned to each individual to make sure God's plan does not come to pass.
So I'm like why bonny because we Tama wahine Balak Somase nko Biliam wana ya wonka nche no medumi Israel for on say Nyankopon ka che odi for so kwa endumi o because meshira wo die meshira no ntimi ndumi no ti odi for no ba no na won tim se mba bedura medumi na mo me ka che Nyankopon say me kwa me ndumi Nyankopon ma na funumu no to fom e ma funumu no kasa no kyese nyame nim na dwene won ti to tiro ka kyese de maka kyere no kwa na koye ti bra okoko duru kuro ni so no wo ye na dwen se o hene ye domi won but wo na dwen se o domi na ye hita o ye nti afa wi akire no o hene na ayi odifo na sa kan Israel for weak points kyere wo hene no se ya ye we na sa anye ya minimade ba ko Israel for bitimi aya ye bitime nya won domi won
sa di fo ne nyame ne so na sa bonsam ne so
ni ono na dwene ene se opi won mo mabra bombon kruma no e odi fo we be won mo mabra bombon kruma no o ma dwene na nkasa o ma yesa o mo de hinta Nyankopon no mo ye mo nkasa de o ma ape ye wo bilam sufo bi ne o kruma o mo do so bra enti odi o yesa ene sa che de a wo hene ma wo ma no ene Israel for no twetwempena o mo no mo twempena Nyankopon kpefu o mo ne kwan da o mo enti the moment o mo start no mo twempena ne kwan da Israel for no ma no me no a enti se e ba won so no tibi ba won so enti bele bia no bonsam so assign enti onyame angel no kan ho no bonsam angel so ho my reference number 2 time Moses we no on say na bonsam nim say Moses afum Nyankopon e say enti angel na no bonsam assign na Moses no wo ye na de say Moses afum na nyame yakun no nko ade obetimi afa Moses fun no but no nim so Nyankopon angel no ntwe ne ho mfiri ne ho because no nim relationship a that Moses ni Nyankopon tem sometimes obetimi bo bi say de wo ye ne nyakura ba nyame anim no nye obi an temwafo enti e bra ba so fa no bonsam no fa no nyame bo fon ka je say jar ma no e Nyankopon nipa o ti ase enti asa na ni ba bi ese Moses but e betuma kan pese Moses o Nyankopon che bi say transfiguration no tama Yesu yi ni ho ade kire na fia fon James John ne Peter no Moses ni Elijah yi o ho ade it means Moses o Nyankopon che enti obonsam so assign enipa ahom bia omo ya bofo a omo ya foreign angels a omo so eni nipa bia anam umre ye mo no na omo wia na ava no mi no bi ni na nim say wait to be possible because it is not possible say devil and the team no bet me destroy Nyankopon the plans bet me destroy Nyankopon the works in any way whether so omo ye no heaven under the heaven o see enya dia e bet me ya ba ni obi o wi ase dia ni eni tan Nyankopon profo bi wonu ma nyame nsa won to extend say wotimi mfa de bia ya de fun bia nkonko dada omo so betimi afa wonu ai ma me fa se me ndwam gaga so fu bi e preach say loto nye na so ba ko twa loto no di ye ya so ba ndi loto no ye party o invite so fu ko partners no wa mo pa ye bra akwa na me we left right na so ba no be dan chom dan so fu nye bia na wo woni ba bi escape free na so fu stay be free na so ba so fu loto ska so enyame ni papa nko bepu nam nagu na wan say loto ni nye o ti aso ka je loto ni de etwada na enye na dako de enye boni
na so loto wona na loto
enye papa enye loto enye Christopher Madi
so fu loto
enye ebreba na se rade me kwan e betuti sabe
so fu si loto
enye de pa onyame fie chiwade a ehunu onyame fie a say odi for dan man kan ye na wo sa dan shem on no see freedom on de ko na o jana jo kran kwaje loto enye Christopher whether we go can aso for na kaje na e twa American lottery me obi to be mami let me nim e buy the year 2000 me hu say lottery no me se me nko banko e na mtie time do say Nyankopon de metu kwan eja Nyankopon de me ko abroche ko de me nim so afa ni ba chichiri ibi o wi ase dia wona me
yo nim so aye ansan ya twaze enti okay so eba ya ko commercial break na ya ba twaze vous en font bien Isaiah Kofia Pia. Je me dis à dire ben frère non bien si bien. Friday 8 to 8:30. And some program we say you can't send the brain. I saw before passo and penny for passo police for passo lawyers for passo
airport. That time na I can't go. O ka wari asema o ti ase oni made a wo kwa koye oni se o free ni na eni na ja ho eni ni kun akoye ba
o ka soro kwasira ma kwa soro me nda wayira Bishop Duncan Williams
bayira pra
hey prophet one
anya sofo
ni pana wo na mona wo ko ya cho for sale about ma
o ja ya kre
krobe na akoye adwuma obi dani wo we Takrade.
Oh, man, can see.
Apostle Unite.
How can Apostle be a unit?
So for that, moving on,
Yanko Portum and the enemy aduma.
it's the Ghana who bought a Yanko country.
I can check as a brand Yanko Portum, no. On my country piece.
Then we are over.
Oh, David.
So for you now. When you're born in some Kuma an accident, yes.
And so on, or a lunatic agent.
Mr. 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 Lopes in Edman.
Young never going to
Be a friend to Abobidia.
So for the media.
Minabian that your country.
When you said you're about to become a sophomore,
So for the Yakuna.
oh, maybe we got.
Attack now with them. With them, will craft through, make craft from me.
Your brand mechanicals, the only boss who it was. Boss, they ever could go the sober. Show ya wushi, ya to the day we are seeing. We are seeing soon. After Nepa, being young in Nepa. And push out Democrat was so can have and I want to where we are seeing.
Ghana for Yasabe view. And then you made in wide bar. In wide, papa. Yet was so for Pajato.
And he said, Yabrenity, said, Yankopon angels no.
To was not teaching. So I was so called 1 month crana. They don't walk 1 month to show you. Because in Churchill nowadays, and Churchill, many people, and the jury say we are so anything. To was not teaching. That's
it. And he has said, godly angels no, or more power no, and order no. So do the demons and his angels and the team no. Also what ranks, non so order and he. No, almost our courtesan, and it's our Omoniaman on way no. Our home born in the foreign angels no. Say Yakupon war act, itinerant, max, uncountable, almost all realms no, omobio. Almost the same 20. We read Daniel chapter 10, verse 13 now. Scripture and cause I can about the prince of the Persia. Persia, our Bonia, no more Taman than your Babylon. Our Bonia no more we na omu dinsem is a moneno. Oba New Testament Musua, Ephesians chapter 6, verse 12. Paul also a bit extensive work about the Daniel Kamasem war, Daniel chapter 10, verse 13. Paul say, and ya ne honam any mojanena, yanim peninier, to medie, a hombone, any cabriche, any more tumfua, on washrusra, yam fayeni, eunwonum. And Ephesians chapter 1, verse 12, so, affirming say, Christ has been raised above all prosperities, power, mighty, dominion, and every name. Said the Ephesians catch them. Sabonsam go to me, yen yama bonni na. Sana Christo so, ewo to me, ewo bonsam to me no, enyina so. Enti, so to me, fa wasade no nchida de ediswa. E wiase we tim no. There are some of the names of the spiritual forces we need to take over from spiritually. And where the Ephesians 6:12 no bodi no enya honhom na no bodi no ye honhom izaba ifo amomni le so mo ha dwen pa ye magicians wa amomni o mo ha dwen pa ene wo nipa bi atiri modern for body from wicked people so modi such as many the me modi and one kasa betimi an imagine. There are so many ones that by for na yam ndi kwa by for na ha bi ne
yeah
abay for no ani abay bon sam ne mo mudi no omo na mo yanketwa omo class na ha bi enti aja the also nipa we are saying na hu ne say we live in a wicked world, full of wicked agents who are out there to frustrate, fight and frighten us. If we are we team no we are here trimodin we are nipa trimodin for ne no mo nam nipa omo trimodsum yo mbe so mo ye nyina so mo nye bedi akon yo mbe bo ehu no mbe hye yenso we nya hombone na sente mi koto boda ni bia odum waso lantin kura da wia to obukulo na nguda ta bra na wia bo no so kan ye yo si bra ja ni wi si esi o kasa ko na mkopia na nguda ta bra na o kasa o sabe obi di matem mami mi ni bi just say we are one there are rare forces in this world who are out there to make war with us. real force director se nyankopon bi oni am ho niam wo wiase a e bi kura nka me ne mu bi wo hono man ka montimi bia monti okay ka montimi free ma because your real force so entina me share o Kristo ni bia nse wiase ni pe bia se entina se am obi ntimi deceive because all my boni we say kwa mani kunwa e tena beto ansa okay by phone no say wono chana na Pentecost Presby Baptist Crusaders no page nsa ma fa Kristo say me gran majenkwa by that time no kun wi ba na o perception go ni pe bitim say boni bi kumi kura waje boni asoa enya bebeleka
etino sa ahunhun mu dien sen na wo ya hye so e kan ye ho ni ye kɔ ni ye ba ye different ye fi be mu nyina no
omu nyina wo ya hye so ye ma kpobodin nyina wo ya hye so ye ma modin ye bayifo ne bayibon san make omu ye se batem pese me wiase fa nyina ati asense demons exist se bibi ni wiase a enke da get to blum.
I remember one prophet now say on na ohun say obi ton ade na ade na wo ton na mango na wo ton ni tware na wo ton etu hu ye no ko ka ade ni tubi what is it say na be ya like oni no so o confront no say ade a wo ye no boni na we de o di
ba won so ahwe ni Yesu a na want be improve wo Nyankopon a ofre wo obi woni man hu ya outside na human right for no be nyanse
but near na say onu su jitu puchi no yeso bondede
okay
and aside that no say onam no muso biti na fom obiti
that so bi nam na senti na fom ayi na ehu bi to bi na fom na nje se ko bono
so obone te
no twam ko baby these are the things that Emma so asofo bi yare boko da mu say won bi ko baby o attack you let her go
okay
why do you attack o ma so o ba so na so o ba wo na mu pa bi so dia da ba won say you asofo ne D4P won ma o mo ye sheshe
show off
that's it what does it me wa dum and na obi ton pan no dia mapemfo mitike me hwe pan no yare imagine all the yemu no toilet because ya wa mo o ma asane o mo dia ma so mo nko say funa de chie o dia say ba ifo no bia won assignment o di bia nchie o nko meet na ba me ye say metna ka ni me mpa ya me bon say master stand ntimi so pan no to twa pan no me ensam ma pan no free to e chi na me ko ge no to pan no friend ko ka chen say pan mo nya pan no to o dia say ni pan no yes o be ka say tia me ka chen say me ni mu ni me ye kom then she went she went makona nko ase dem kotona because mahuni yese nam no moton ma manfo no uto bi di kofi kono dia na mawukun na yukun ni nyampa bofo a odi ya wale mbegu ya wale pie egu ho no ma enya bentira yire no bi ho no ma ni modem ti o ma yongofo na nko ase na nkinam tonfo enam na mu an ton na mpa ya na goto e na sa pento so just enti there are so many forces. And there are some people that are start for no move up and down with us. You know cover. Some of them we eat with them, we share ideas and plans with. Some are agents and informers. Are only me no blessings, any spiritual to wickedness and as a wicked world. You are footwear no cover. I know did you know nekoba sa fo no ye nipa bia wo kan otimu asam kire wono no na omo ne sa fo no otwaka e say ntia de na wo hye so be ya so kire wadamfo no e be do kire na say sa fo na esa na manyi na tie ti inu no ye person bi twa to no say demons exist wo wiase a bompa yi na fa ho kire radi na radi adom hwos amen
wo wiase a bompa yi fa ho ma radi na radi adom hwos hwe ewiase na ewo no ena hokwa ewiase na hokwa eti yenu akosi nyakon ebo no bi ase bibi nsikwa eti eya abompai se wa anyere ho no abompai a osafo no ebesewo woni beba ho so no na aye too late die na woka bibi elu a woka bi ase yawie ese ase yawie me anyere enkotontwun tunia da bia ena ma ho boni nti eya prese obabompaye ewo Yesu dim dwumadie yenwie ye trust because I very long awa topic na ya fa no wa but enne die ye di si ha no si Nyankopon ya adom a dasane ye be say share this same topic ya ye be say share na ide na ya to so na me ka kire mo say Uncle Travels Uncle Travels number no na me dey to ja 0244 644 255 0244 644 255 and I say 0264 489898